G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So it's upgrade time. As you know, the Troopy is a bit of a bush beast. It's fully built to go anywhere. Well, that's the plan anyway. We're going to keep on upgrading this thing. We've got the McKinnon's bull bar, and on the front we've got the Auxbeam 7-inch LED with running lights. These have proved to be absolutely awesome so far. So these have taken an absolute beating in the outback, river crossings, corrugations, and they're still going sensational. So that means we're going to move forward. We're going to move on to the next Auxbeam upgrade, which is replacing the old candles. These things, they're pretty dull. To be honest, the daylight runner is helping better than these suckers. We're going to rip out the old candles. We're going to update them with the new Auxbeam light. This thing is sensational. Let's unbox this, check it out, and see what we've got. Alright, let's rip open these Auxbeam and see what they look like. Have a look at these. Now they look pretty cool. Full solid aluminium die cast frame, which is pretty solid. Full LED. Now these are fully DOT approved, so you're in the US or the Canada, these are no dramas at all. These are going to be absolutely awesome. They're IP67 rated, so we don't have to worry about any rain or water or dust or anything like that getting in it. It's a fully sealed unit. Plug and play, we've got daylight runners on it too. Anyway, that's enough. Let's start putting these on and see what they look like inside the vehicle. They look awesome, I love them. Let's get them in, eh? Righto, before we get too excited, we need to rip the old candles out. We need the front bib ripped off. Why it's off, we're going to paint it black just to go with the theme of this cruiser. They should be white, but this one is not traditional, and we're going to paint it black. Right, let's rip this sucker off. So the next thing we want to do is just remove this outer chrome ring. Phillips head screwdriver, just back them off. You don't have to remove the whole screw. That's the retainer ring for the headlight. Well, that'll do it. Pull out the headlight and we smash it. Luckily, Auxbeam to the rescue. Righto, so it's as simple as just plugging it straight in. Now we've got this little indents just here. The Auxbeam already have them. They're our locators. You can see we're going to right, so we're going on the right side. Let's plug it in. We've got a little red wire there, that's for our day runner. So we'll wire that up separately, but this is just for our high and low beam. Just plug this straight in. Line up our little indicators. Get our chrome support ring. Lock it in place and just do up our locking screws for the chrome support ring. Done. Right, that's it. It's as simple as that. So all we need to do is wait for our bib to dry, which is painted black. It's sitting outside there. Righto, that is it. That is so simple. Cannot get any simpler than that. Try not to drop your existing globe and smash it all over the floor like I did. But these are going to be absolutely awesome. All right, let's flick them on. There's our low beam. There's our high beam. How simple is that? Righto, let's look at wiring up our daylight runners so that when we start the car, we can have those daylight runners. And what we're actually going to do in the future, Auxbeam have also given us a control panel, which we're going to hook up some extra lights to. We're going to hook up the daylight runners to that eventually. Righto, so the daylight runners are wired in. All it is just a red wire that plugs straight in. It all comes with the kit, and it's just an activation wire. So we've just wired it into the same daylight runner switches that are on the spotlights. Eventually, we're going to wire it in so we can turn it on and off to the control panel, which Auxbeam have supplied to us in another video later on down the track. Exciting stuff to come along. Anyway, let's check out what these daylight runners look like. Now they look really, really cool. I like them. Now, what I like about these lights, they're not over the top like some of the lights you get. They don't change color and all that crazy stuff. Yes, Auxbeam do them. If you're into that type of stuff, jump on their webpage. They have all that type of stuff too. But I think this really suits this era old cruiser. So they just look absolutely fantastic. They look really neat. They look a little bit traditional, but with that real modern flair of the LED light. So I think it's a really good combo. All we need to do now is wait for that front bib to dry. We're gonna whack that back on, take it for a bit of a drive, and we'll check it all out. Right, it's just started to rain a bit, but I had to show you the end result of this. So these Auxbeam new LED headlights look absolutely sensational. The black bib just really sets it off. Mate, I'm really loving this beam. Looks fantastic. We're just waiting for the darkness to come in so we can go out and give these a really good test run to see how much better they perform in the night instead of those candles that we had on there before. But look at that, it has just changed the entire front end, giving it a much more modern, a little bit more aggressive, but not too over the top look. Absolutely sensational. Anyway, let's wait for the darkness to come in. We'll give it a run, eh? Righto, so what better way to test out the old candles to the new LED Auxbeams than here in the pitch dark? Light my way. Check that out. High beam it. There you go. That is so cool. I can see literally right down to the end of the dirt road. What a massive difference.